By the end of this video, you will know how to send bulk invoice reminders in Xero. Start from the top menu in Xero and click Sales. This opens the sales area where your customer invoices are managed. From there, select Invoices to move into the full invoice list. Once you are on the Invoices page, open the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab shows invoices that have been issued but not yet fully paid, which is where you can choose the ones that need a reminder. Now look through the list and select the checkboxes beside each invoice you want to include. You can choose several at once, so take a moment to confirm that each selected invoice is one you intend to remind. After making your selections, click Email. This opens the Send Invoices window, where you can review the details before anything is sent. Inside this window, check the To field and the email details for each selected invoice. Make sure the recipient information is correct for every invoice in the batch before continuing. This is the point where you confirm that each reminder is going to the right contact and that the email information shown matches what you expect to send. You will also see the Mark as Sent option. Leave Mark as Sent checked if you want these invoices to be marked as sent after the email goes out. If that is the outcome you want, there is nothing else to change here. Next, select the appropriate email template. The template controls the wording and structure used for the reminder, so choose the one that fits the type of message you want to send. After that, review the subject line. You can leave it as it appears or edit it if needed. Then review the message that will be sent to all selected recipients. Because this message is shared across the selected invoices, check the wording carefully and edit it if you want to adjust the reminder before it goes out. If needed, you can also choose one of the attachment options in this window. Select Include Files as attachments if you want to send any files linked to the invoices. Select Include PDF attachment of invoice if you want the invoice PDF included with the reminder. Use the option that matches how you want recipients to receive the invoice information. Once everything in the Send Invoices window has been reviewed, click Send. Xero will send the reminder emails to the selected recipients using the details and template you confirmed. If the system takes a moment to process, wait for it to finish and then continue from the Invoices page as needed. Your selected awaiting payment invoices have now been sent in bulk as reminder emails in Xero.